back in the late 90s, everything was .com, and they were getting these billion-dollar valuations. And it is true that the internet was the future. Yeah, it is true that the internet was the future, but not all those companies. 99% of them go bust. Mm-hmm. And I think it'll most likely be the same with crypto. There will come, maybe Bitcoin, Ethereum will come out winners in the long run and will be here. I don't know what purpose they'll serve. I don't know if they'll be transactional in the case of Bitcoin or be more of a digital reserve asset, store value. I'm not quite sure, what place it'll play, but I think it'll most likely play out the same way the dot-com bubble burst in the 1990s.
Oh, yeah. There's a whole, Reddit is going crazy over this crash. They lost millions in this stable coin.
You know what was fascinating is I did the Fresh and Fit podcast. Those two young guys out in Miami. I think you know them. And I was talking to them offline about cryptocurrency, and they said that their friends, in this 20-year-old age group, are so into crypto that that's all they have. And to the point where a lot of times the Fresh and Fit guys will have to lend them money for lunch. Not because they don't have money, but all their money is in crypto, 100% of it.
They're
and
not just billionaires, but no cash.
Yeah, or millionaires or thousandaires, maybe in this case. But it's not in Bitcoin and Ethereum. It's in all these lesser-known altcoins that they think are going to or have the potential to go up 1,000x, and they're trying to be the next superstar on Instagram, billionaire or whatever that gets rich in crypto, and then they just get completely wiped out. And it gives them that very, very difficult lesson that young investors have had to learn throughout the ages, that it's not different this time. To your earlier point,
right. We've been through this before.
Yeah,
no, but I've heard that. No, it'll never go down. And the moment I hear that, I know it's going down.
Yeah, and there's always. Jim Rogers, I think, articulated it beautifully in the Market Wizards books, where he says you've just got to buy panic and sell hysteria. And sometimes, you can tell when there's hysteria, and when Bitcoin was at 65,000. And now I'm long-term bullish on Bitcoin.
Me too.
But you got to pick and choose when you buy based on that panic and hysteria. And there was I was seeing it on Twitter nonstop. I was seeing it in social media. I was seeing it in all these chat rooms like Clubhouse, where the hysteria was just mind-boggling. And that's something that I think people can sense, but they need to make sure they're not getting caught up in that emotional frenzy. They're going to make bad decisions.
Yeah.
Now's not the right time to buy.
The problem with bull markets is it makes stupid people look smart.
Yeah.
And the saying is, the bull goes up the stairs, bear goes out the window. And when it comes down fast.
I mean, these are 20-year-olds that probably didn't have anything really to start in, got lucky, go to the moon or whatever the phrase is, and then they lost it all.
Well, the
point, they don't have any cash.
This is deja vu all over again, because in 1929, the saying was, watch out for falling bankers, because they were coming out of the window.